Psoriasis is not contagious. While it can be challenging to manage the situation, it can be very well treated. Hi, I'm Dr. Juvita, dermatologist from Bangalore. Let's talk about psoriasis today. Psoriasis is a chronic skin condition which leads to rapid skin cell turnover, because of which we get thick scaly patches or flaky skin. In case you're dealing with itchy red patches on your skin, it could be psoriasis. So today let's talk about what it is, what causes it, and how can we treat it. Psoriasis occurs when skin cells grow too quickly, causing a buildup of dead skin cells on the surface. This leads to thick red patches that can be scaly or silvery in appearance. It most commonly affects areas like elbows, knees, scalp, and lower back. Psoriasis is not contagious. While it can be challenging to manage the situation, it can be very well treated. It's important to know that it's a lifelong condition, but with the right treatments, you can manage the flare-ups and live comfortably. Psoriasis is caused by an overactive immune system, which triggers the rapid turnover of skin cells. While the exact cause is still unknown, it's believed to be a combination of genetics and environmental factors. Things like stress, infection, and certain medications can trigger flare-ups. The good news is that there are several treatment options available. At our clinic, we can help you to find the right treatment plan to manage your psoriasis and reduce flare-ups. Treatment typically starts with topical treatments like vitamin D analogs or corticosteroids. These help in reduce inflammation, slow down skin cell production, and relieve itching. These are applied directly on the affected areas. For most stubborn patches or larger areas, phototherapy can be an excellent option. This involves exposing the skin to ultraviolet light under controlled conditions, which helps slow down rapid skin cell turnover. For more severe cases, especially when topical treatments or phototherapy don't work, we may recommend biologic medication. These are injected or taken orally and work by targeting specific parts of the immune system to reduce inflammation and slow skin cell growth. While psoriasis doesn't have a cure, these treatments can help you manage psoriasis and reduce symptoms significantly. It's important to note that treatment can vary depending on the type and severity of psoriasis. So we'll work together to develop a personalized plan for you. With the right treatment and regular monitoring, we can help you to control psoriasis and keep the flare-ups to a minimum. If you have been struggling with psoriasis, you don't have to face it alone. So let's work together to create a treatment plan that helps you to manage your symptoms and make you feel more comfortable in your skin.